Hey, how's it going everybody? This is Sagar here and I just completed a gaming PC build, a sub $700 gaming PC build, and this video is about it. So this is not any benchmark gaming or temperature test. I'll just be listing out all the components of this PC as well as the peripherals, which will go up to $700 in the US or 50,000 Indian rupees in India. So starting off, the first component, the cabinet itself, which is the Antec GX200, and it's going for $65.58 on eBay in the US, whereas in India $39.99. So every part will be provided in the description below, be it Indian or US links. And for the processor, I have chosen the Intel Core i5 4th Gen, which is the 4590, and it's going for $198.99 in the US and 17,000 in India. So with this processor, I'm going with the AMD RX 460 4GB edition, 4GB DDR5, and I just got the Sapphire one on the US links. So this is for the US links, and this is what I got, which is the HIS 4GB DDR5 RX 460 in India, which is for 12,100 rupees. And for the power supply, it is the Corsair VS 550 watt power supply, and in the US links it is for $67.45, in India $3,613. So for the motherboard, I went with Gigabyte GAB85D3H, and it is a micro ATX board, and it's going for $6,490 in India and $66.86 in the US. For the RAM, I went with G-Skill Ripjaws, and since the motherboard supports on DDR3 RAM, I went with the DDR3 8GB G-Skill Ripjaws RAM. You can upgrade it further, but for now, for this budget build, I've gone only with 8GB G-Skill, and in India it is for 3,850. So that was all for the PC build, and this is about the peripherals, which is optional, but this is what I'm using right now. So for the main display, I've gone with LG 22-inch LED monitor, and it's quite cheap. It's 8,306 in India. And for the gaming peripherals, which is the keyboard and mouse, I went with Dragon Ball, and for the mouse it is Dragon Ball Leviathan, whereas for the keyboard it is Dragon Ball Desert Eagle, which is pretty cheap. And I went with a solid state drive, SSD 250GB, since I already had a hard disk with me since I was upgrading to a new computer. So with the HDD, I also got an SSD to load the OS into, and it's for $120 in US, whereas 8,300 in India. So that was all about the PC build. Other tests, other benchmarks will be done in another video, so stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do like and subscribe.